today we are in High Street, Kensington, and I'm going to take you to one of my favourite things to do in London, which is really simple, and it seems really boring, but I find it so relaxing and therapeutic, and it's something I like to do all the time whenever it's like a de-stress for me. So yeah, basically we're going to just go to Whole Foods, get some green juice, get some French bread, and then walk through the park basically, and then we might go to Harrods after that. So here is Whole Foods. We're going to go in here and get some juices. Hopefully they have the fresh ones, I don't know. We got rid of them a while ago. We might have them back, I don't know. Have a look. This is where the bakery used to be, but now it's not there anymore. It's pizza. I think there's bread here. Here's the bread, I think. Oh look, just putting them out. Are they warm? No. I'll probably get one of these. So these are the juices. They used to make all the juices fresh here, but now they don't. They used to have a juice bar like right in this section, but now I think only the orange juice is made fresh. These are all, I used to get the triple green or the tropical green. Which is the tropical green? Oh, that one. But these are not fresh anymore, and they're not quite as good, which is a shame. Because they got the watermelon. Is that a watermelon? No, strawberry. I don't remember them having that. Yeah, then I don't think these are as good, are they? But I'll get one. So here is my Whole Foods and my bag, which you can't see. So yeah, they were just going up here to Kensington Palace, which is up here. Yeah, this is basically where Prince Diana used to live. Who lives there now? William and Kate. Do they live there? I don't know. I think so. Well, they used to. But yeah, it's up here. It's very pretty and it's very relaxing, and yeah, it's just a nice little stroll. So I'll show you the palace. We're just sat down now by the palace, right here, which we normally don't get this good of a seat here, do we? Normally we walk along a bit more and sit down by the Serpentine, but we're sitting here now. We're going to have some bread, French bread, and green juice. This is the one I got. Oh, where's the sign? Yeah, the tropical greens is good. But yeah, they're not making them fresh there anymore, which is a real shame, because they used to make all of the juices fresh and they had loads of different ones. But I think because of the pandemic, they're not making them fresh anymore, because I think during the pandemic they had to throw a lot of stuff away. Because we did actually come here like a couple of times when you could come in lockdown for a walk. But yeah, they had juices then, but then I think they got rid of them because they just probably went bad, and they just weren't getting enough people, like enough footfall to actually make it worthwhile making them all fresh. So yeah, I'm gonna have some bread and sit here and relax. that is, we're just walking through the park now. I don't think we're going to go to the little lake. We might just go straight to Harrods because it's getting a bit late now. But yeah, I have actually opened up the membership thing on my channel, so you can actually join the channel now. I have two like tiers of membership. You can join like the first tier, which just like donates to the channel, and it's like a contribution to keeping the videos coming. And I also have the second tier, which has got the archive of all my old videos, because I know some people wanted to see some like of my old videos and they wanted me to put up my old videos again, but I just don't want to do that. But if you do want to see them, you can subscribe to the second tier and then you will be able to see all my old videos. So yeah. We are in Hermes and I'm just looking at some of the Rodeo charms. I think they had a couple in, but I don't think I'm going to get any of them because I think they've only got one, like one with crocodile and one that's red, and I don't want that, so, and I don't like red, so still on the hunt for a rodeo. But you found some nice shoes, which were nice. Look at this Rodeo, isn't it the cutest thing ever? Like, I almost didn't look at it because I thought it was red. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? Like, I love that colour. I do quite like these Valentino shoes, but I don't think they're totally me. They are quite cool with the gold studs. So yeah, we're in Harrods still, but I think it's closing soon. It closes so early now. I think these are really cute. All the lighting looks so bad in here. It's quite plasticky though. Don't know how much. What do you think of them, Rich? I like them. Look, look at this necklace as well. Look at that. That is gorge. Don't know how much that is, but that is really nice. Look, this is a nice little display here. And I like this necklace, the bag. I do like this because then you could have it and it would match the shoes. It's $4.40 for the necklace. I really like it. So yeah, I'm back home now. We went out for an Italian on the way back home from Harrods, just a place like locally that we go to, which is really, really nice. So yeah, and I thought I would relax and put a face mask on. So yeah, today's video is actually sponsored by Gleaming, which make this face mask, which is really nice. This is the packaging. As you can see, it's like yellow. The packaging is like super bright yellow, and the mask is really bright yellow as well, which I think is really cool. So yeah, this is the packaging. I'll show you a close up. It's cute. It's like, yeah, super bright yellow. So yeah, it is a vitamin C clay mask, and it has turmeric and aloe vera in it. When I was sent this product by Gleaming, I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I like it because like it's a clay mask and I don't usually like clay masks. because I can find that they can be quite drying. I've kind of got like normal to dry skin, but I have already tried this mask before and it's really, really nice, and it doesn't dry my skin out at all. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. It's like, it smells nice as well. So I'm going to put this on, but I think I'm going to take off this hoodie because I don't want to get it all over my hoodie. Oh, and it comes with this little brush as well, which is really cool to put it on with. Yes, I'm going to put it on and then relax. I'm currently watching Houston, the series on Netflix, so I might watch a bit of that and just relax after a long day's shopping. So yeah, let me do that. So I have got the mask on my face and it's just drying in, and it's becoming quite tight already actually. So yeah, it has turmeric in it, but it's not meant to stain your skin or anything like that. I have tried it before and it didn't stain my skin yellow or anything. Like, I look like a little bit like a Simpson right now, but it doesn't stain your skin. And it's meant to give you like a very glowing look afterwards. And it also is made to use on all skin types, which is really good, which is why I think that it doesn't make my face dry, because I have normal skin and like sometimes clay masks can be quite drying. So I think it will work well if you have oily skin, or if you have normal skin, or even if you have dry skin. I think it will be all good. So yeah, I'm just going to put on Netflix and watch a little bit of Houston, and yeah, wait for it to dry properly. So I'm going to wash it off now. Wash it off with a flannel and get it all off. So yeah, as you can see, it hasn't stained my face at all. So yeah, that's the gleaming clay mask, the vitamin C clay mask. I think it looks really good. Like, my skin actually now feels really soft and plump. And yeah, nice. When the first time I tried it, like, my face does look quite red, but it doesn't actually look as red this time around. Like, I know that it looks red on the camera, but that's because my face generally is actually more red when I'm not wearing makeup, so it does look more red on the camera. But yeah, it feels really nice and plump. It feels, yeah, like plump, and yeah, I think it is glowing, you know? It's quite glowy. Let's go in the light. Yeah, it's nice. Obviously you can put some moisturizer on now, and yeah, think it looks really nice and glowing. So yeah, check out that face mask. The website is gleaming.com. I will leave the link in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I will see you in my next video.